Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where you learn how to DIY on a dime.
Sitting around a fire pit in your own yard is such a great way to create lasting memories with family and friends.
Becky and I did this in under an hour, and you can too.
Supplies needed: concrete retaining wall blocks, leveling sand, pea gravel pebbles, red lava rock, and landscape adhesive.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
First thing that you need to do is pick a spot in your yard where you want the fire pit to go.
Next step, place your bricks out where they should go, and that way they squeeze together. We're using 12 bricks.
And it's going to be 3 high, so 12 on each level, 36 bricks altogether.
That was good math.
You need to make your border so you know where to dig. Place the shovel next to the stone. Boom. Oh, Vanessa, you're so good at that. Wait, let me try. Let me do a couple. Next step, you need to dig your hole about 2 to 3 inches deep. Next step, we're going to take this board and we're just going to level out the dirt. Right?
Maybe. Whoa. This is an optional step. We're putting a hole in the center for extra drainage, so when it rains, it doesn't fill up with water.
Once the hole is complete, we're going to fill the hole with pea gravel. Pea gravel, going in the hole.
Pea gravel. Ah! Oh yeah, we're so good at this. That's pretty pea gravel. This is my favorite part.
Next step is to just pack down the dirt.
In Italy, they pack down grapes for wine. In America, we stomp down on fire pits. DIY, do it yourself. Once the dirt's packed down, what do?
Dump leveling sand on the dirt, so when you put the bricks on, they're all leveled. Now that the leveling sand is down, you're just going to take your bricks, place them around the edge. Take your level all the way around the fire pit. A couple bricks right here need to be lifted up. So all we're going to do is shove some sand underneath just to lift them up a little bit. Shove some sand.
Oh, that's good. That's nice. Is it level?
Yeah. Once your first row of bricks is laid, it's time for your second row. All you're going to do is place the brick and stagger it. Just like that. We're going to use landscape glue because our fire pit, we want it to be permanent, but if you don't want it to be permanent, just don't use the landscape glue.
Will it fit?
Boom, boom.
You line that up there.
Right at the halfway point.
Oh, like that.
Okay.
Go. Money. There it is.
Oh!
Is it level? Yep.
Now that we know it fits, we're going to glue it. Now that the bricks are set, we're just going to dump one more bag of pea gravel into the pit and then level it out.
You're very good at leveling it out.
I do good work. The pea gravel helps with the water drainage when it rains. Now that that's set and leveled, it's time for our final step.
We're adding a bag of the red lava rock. Not only does it look amazing, but it helps with the airflow of your fire
to keep it burning hot.
Extra hot.
Yep. Do it.
Ready?
Final step. Woo! Here we go.
Wait, give me a drum roll. Ah, it looks amazing.
Wow. We did such a good job.
I'm dirty.
Me too. Thanks for taking 5 with us this Friday. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Time to live your best life.
One Friday at a time.